Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to TopTech. Today we are checking out TopTech gadgets and accessories under 1000 rupees. If you enjoyed this video and have a friend who enjoys gadgets as well, make sure to share this video with them. The first product on our list is this multi-use flashlight. Now this is a solar powered light that has a built-in solar panel and also has an emergency USB port that can be used to charge up other devices. It has a 1500 mAh built-in battery and has lots of lighting modes. You can see two switches on top of the light which can be used to turn on a white light, a yellow light, or two different task lights. Both these task lights can be turned on together to give you a lot of brightness. Using a wall outlet, you can charge the light in about 2 hours and it lasts for about 5 hours of use. It's fairly lightweight and lots of features built into it. Go check it out, we'll have it linked in the description below. The next product on our list is this OTG adapter and card reader. Now this is a multi-use device that can be plugged into all types of ports. It has a USB-C port built in and also a USB Type A port which opens up to reveal a micro USB port. For connectivity, you have a standard female USB A port with which you can connect external hard drives, and then you can also insert micro SD cards or SD cards to read those directly from a mobile device. This is a fairly useful tool. It's well made and inexpensive and lightweight. Go check it out, we'll have it linked in the description below. The next product on our list is this key-shaped multi-tool. Now this is made out of a solid chunk of metal and has lots of built-in features. You get a built-in screwdriver, but it also has a screwdriver bit holder. You also have a wire stripper and a wire bender, a bottle opener, also a measuring area. The key also has built-in wrenches. So on one side you get imperial wrenches and on the other side you get metric wrenches. This is also available in multiple colors, and with lots of features you can simply add it to your keychain and it's useful for that. Go check it out. We'll have it linked in the description below. The next product on our list is this projector. Now this is an astronaut shaped projector that has a built-in ambient light, but it also comes with 3 slides that you can insert to get different projections onto a wall. The head of the astronaut has a built-in projector area in which you can insert the slides and get really high resolution projections on your wall. Now you need to do this in a dark environment, so make sure that there is no ambient light, and once you do that you get fairly nice projections. So we have one of the galaxy, one of the earth, and one of the moon. The head of the astronaut is also movable, so you can move it around to get the right kind of angle for your projections. It's got a built-in battery or can be used plugged in. It's compact, lightweight, and a really nice desk accessory as a lamp, or even can be used in your kids' room. Go check it out, we'll have it linked in the description below. The next product on our list are these mesh covers. Now these are simple mesh covers that are designed to protect your phone from dust and debris. A lot of people lose the sound from their earphones and speakers because a lot of dust and skin cells get trapped in the mesh area of their speakers. These replaceable, easy to attach strips will prevent that from happening, and even if these strips get gunked up, you can simply remove and replace them, as you get a total of 16 mesh stickers in this order. If you're out and about and have an active lifestyle, I highly recommend these as they will prevent your phone from getting damaged easily. The next product on our list is a voltage tester. This is also a continuity tester and will allow you to find broken wires in a cable and also allow you to see what is a live line and what is not a live line. So if you have an area with electricity around it, this will easily detect it. This device has a voltage range of 12 volt to 1000 volt AC and has a built-in display along with a buzzer. The buzzer and the light work together to help you find live wires and also find broken wires in case a wire is not working. This tool is a must-have for a DIYer and also a device that you should have around in your house or even your office. Go check it out, we'll have it linked in the description below. The next product on our list is this rugged memory card holder. Now this has multiple memory card slots, so 3 SD card slots, 2 micro SD card slots, and a SIM slot. This also includes a few adapters from nano SIM to micro SIM and from micro SIM to a full-size SIM adapter, along with a SIM ejector tool. If you're somebody who is in photography or videography, this is a must-have tool. This is also a must-have tool for somebody who travels a lot and likes to carry multiple memory cards for their cameras. It's extremely well built, made out of aluminium, and is completely scratch and drop resistant and has a robust closing joint. Go check it out, we'll have it linked in the description below. If you're like us and buy a lot of packages, the next product is for you. This is a identity protection device. Now this has a few features built in. On one side you do have a package opening blade, which is a small compact blade that's spring loaded. So it's a safety package opener. It will not damage the products on the inside, and because of the spring loaded nature, it automatically closes up once you're done using it. The blade is really sharp and is easy to use for opening packages. The other side has a stamp which removes your address from thermal shipping labels. Now, most packages arrive with thermal shipping labels nowadays. So all you need to do is simply rub this on an area where your address is, and this will completely wipe it down. This works almost instantly, and this will protect your identity, especially if you order a lot of packages, you want to throw away the packages. You can simply wipe off your address so that nobody gets a hand of that. Go check it out. We'll have it linked in the description below. A must-have accessory, especially nowadays. Next up are these compact, simple wall hangers. Now these can be used to hold up your wire plugs. So if you want to organize your wire plugs around a socket, you can do that. This will also hold up small accessories like an adapter and also some cables, but primarily designed for wall plugs so that you can have your plug hanging next to a wall and you can simply plug it in. These are available in packs of 4 and they are really inexpensive, come with adhesive strips built in. A must-have accessory for organizing your cables. Next up on our list are these port protectors. Now this is a USB Type-C port protector, but it's also available for other devices including Apple devices. This simple and inexpensive product made out of rubber attaches to the back of a smartphone, and with that you can plug up your charging port quite easily. This protects your charging port from getting dust or any kind of water splashes that could damage your device. So when you're not charging your phone, you can simply plug it up with this rubber plug, and when you need to charge your device, you can simply open it up and insert a cable. It's fairly inexpensive, available in packs of 2. Go check it out. We'll have it linked in the description below. Now that completes our list of top tech under 1000 rupees, but as always, we do have a bonus item for you as well. We're checking out this EDC flashlight. This has a built-in LED flashlight that has multiple modes. This is designed to be water resistant, but if you open the top up, this also has a wind resistant lighter built in. So an EDC device, emergency device, or a camping tool, you decide what it is, but it's really cool, has a lot of brightness and is compact and well made. So we highly recommend that you go check this out. We'll have it linked in the description below. That completes our list for top tech this time around. If you enjoyed any of the products, let us know in the comments below. And what top tech do you want to see next? Let us know that in the comments below as well. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next one.
Keep the